Alrighty guys, we are finally fishing. It's taken me a little while. Let's have a look at this lure. Swims bloody beautiful. So we've got a low tide in about an hour, I reckon, but it's quite a high low. Unfortunately, the water's a little bit dirty, but we're going to have a go. Yeah, just as I was walking down here, I did see a big bust up just out about there, really. So, target species, I guess, flathead is the easiest, I guess you'd say, but barramundi is a closed season at the moment, so big threadfin salmon, blue salmon. But I'll be happy just with a flatty. Yeah, so we'll just have another look at this lure. It swims bloody beautiful. Oy, what was that? Little bust up there on the shore. Gonna get too far away from this camera. I'm gonna have to change my spot, I think. Okay, I've just moved down a little. Water's a bit clearer. This looks okay. Lots of mullet around. So we'll give this a go, hey? Different rock bars, very snaggy. Now that's the beauty of this lure. It's a shallow diver and it floats and it's got a strong action, so we can really slow the retrieve down and let it kind of bounce. So you can see, look how slow I'm winding, and we've still got an action. Yep, fish on. Nice. Little flatty. Ew. He's only a little one, but I think he's a bar tail, which is a little bit unusual for around here. Don't get off, come on. Come on. Wee. Get him in here and we should be right. Nice. Actually, he's not that little. He's a good bar tail. Alrighty. There we go. Just alrighty. There he is. On the lure. Very cool. Okay, we're just going to let him go. Hopefully I've got some audio here. It's really bright too, I can't really see what's going on. Yeah, I'm going to release him right now. There we go. He's a little bit tired, but he'll be right. It's a good size flatty actually. Okay, I may as well have another quick go. That water's cleared up actually, which is a good thing. So anyway, I'm going to have a quick go, see if we can get another one. But if not, I reckon finally I'll get this fishing video together. You beauty. So I have been working on a few other things too, by the way. I might give you a little sneak peek in the Tacklebox actually. Just give you a quick idea of a few things that might be coming up. I'm keen to try and get this filming my fishing going a bit better. It's definitely a lot harder than you imagine it's going to be. There's no way the camera would be picking it up, but across the way, even if you can see that red marker over there, there's a nice sandbar out there, and I'm seeing a bust up every bloody few minutes even. So there's definitely some fish around, lots of mullet around, as you can hopefully, maybe you can see. I'm not sure what the camera's picking up. It's so bright, it's hard to see the screen, so I'm really just got my fingers crossed that I've got enough footage and audio and whatever to try and make this work, even if it's only a few minutes long. That'll be all right. Anyway, let's go home and try and put a video together. Alrighty guys, so I said I'd give you a little sneak peek. I'm just about to walk out of here and go home, so I thought I'd just give you a quick look at what I've got going. I've got more than this actually, but this is probably kind of where I'm at the moment. So you can see there's another two of the, I had 5 of them if you've watched the series. So there's 1, 2, another 2 rigged up, and the one that just caught the fish. And if you're looking ahead, you can see this is actually a deep diving version. I've tested it, it swims well, so that's coming. I've got 75mm version. This is a wicked little thing. Cool colour too, I like this colour, especially for around here. You've seen where I was fishing today, this colour is awesome for that. And, oh, just a quick little look at this. Anyway, let's move on, that's secret. And we have some plastics. Hope the camera's working. Again, it's so freaking bright out here, I can't really see the camera screen. But, and quick sneaky look. Woohoo! Okay. Anyway, that kind of tells you where I'm at, what I'm up to, and still keen on making more episodes. Sorry it took so long to get this one out, but I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.